Have you ever wanted to get into a brand new chain early? Did you miss KAPSA or proof of blocks? Well, I've got one you need to check out, MetChain. We're going to be talking exactly what this project's all about, what they're bringing to the space, and why you definitely need to check this project out. All the links to this will be in the description. Don't forget that like button and subscribe. Let's get into it. So I would just start off by saying this is an incredibly exciting project. There is a ton going on with this project, and I actually had a very fortunate conversation with the team just around what they're bringing to the space and ultimately where this project is going to go. The team are incredibly driven to drive this project to an absolute utopia for cryptocurrency, decentralization at its absolute core. Now, there is an absolute mountain to get through, so let's not mess around and get directly into what MetChain is all about. And at the end of this video, I've got a pretty big announcement for MetChain, so stick around and watch that. But the next evolution in metaverse ecosystems, a decentralized portal for Web3 applications and smart contracts. And we're seeing more and more chains start to build out the necessity of smart contracts. If you believe in the global adoption of cryptocurrency, smart contracts are going to play such a big part in the future to come. So, unlike any blockchain you have used before, it also functions as a decentralized blockchain platform, efficiently handling significant transaction volumes for real-time experiences under a customized K-heavy hash algorithm. Now, the team commit to 25,000 transactions per second with an ambition to get to even more than that. The platform's objective is to promote coexistence, creation, and integration into virtual worlds while supporting NFTs and fostering decentralized metaverse interoperability and economies. With established layer ones, tick, layer two, tick. MetChain is the advancing towards its layer 3 goals, emphasizing its role in handling high transaction volume. I would just state the team building layer after layer, launch the layer 1, secure that, make sure it works, then go on to the layer 2, build that, then look into the layer 3. It's currently trading around 14 cents, which is a pretty good move. It actually topped out at 35 cents, but this is proof of work. This is a mineable coin. So what you've seen is the miners took their profit, but that gives a great opportunity for people to get in on a project that is incredibly early, that is bringing something unique and different to the space. They also have their own wallet integrated into the MetChain ecosystem. It is a GPU mineable chain. And the point here is that this is ASIC resistant. They don't want massive miners coming in. This is all about utilizing the everyday partial or the everyday hobbyist miner to get into it. They also have an NFT platform which you can use to stake and earn further Met rewards. So here's some pretty interesting stuff. EVM compatibility, seamless integration with Ethereum-based tools and protocols. And again, MetChain provides developers with comprehensive sets of tools to create their own virtual worlds and experience. It is evolved and a unique K-heavy hash algorithm, ultimately giving low impact, high speed, and secure transactions. And they also have a MetChain native trading protocol, empowering users to establish liquidity pools and execute decentralized exchanges and stake tokens. Hopefully your mind's starting to work into terms of where MetChain can truly go in the coming months and years. So what are they all about? Transaction facilitation. At the foundation, Met is a medium of exchange. They have platform features such as services, governance, which is the Met holders have a right to propose and vote on changes to the network. They have staking, incentives for contributions, as well as driving innovation within their ecosystem. Now, it's 1 billion tokens is the max supply, and with a total supply of 32 million. Now, you might be curious as to wonder why the circulating supply is slightly less, and that's because of the staking. That's right, there is a significant amount staked on the network, allowing investors to make their Met coins work for them. And here you can see the MetChain Explorer just giving you the exact amount there that is staked on the network. And you can see it's a significant amount as these transactions go through and people really utilizing this fantastic blockchain. So in terms of staking rewards, you can see there just some of the numbers. I'm not going to go through everything, but for 12 months with a super rare NFT, you could earn up to 11%. And what I would reference here is you're not seeing some ridiculous APYs and people committing to 300%. These are just honest values that you absolutely can earn by having your Genesis NFTs and ultimately at least 15,000 Met coins. So So the type of blocks there, a little bit around the mining. You see the staking rewards and the mining rewards based on the total emissions per year. But I want to get more into the NFTs. So the MetChain Genesis NFT Collections is a utility-focused collection offering its holders early access to MetChain products and features, and then an accelerated adoption of metaverse, and ultimately by connecting blockchain hosting metaverse projects seamlessly, NFTs are also a crucial part of the evolution of MetChain. Now, layer 2 being an effective part of the consensus, allowing MetChain to open staking possibilities to the holders. Pioneers of MetChain network, MetChain NFT holders will be testing all products before they are even live. Ultimately, these people that hold these are going to be rewarded for holding them, but really support the growth and the build out of this chain. All the links, as ever, will be in the description, but it's everywhere. LinkedIn, Telegram, X, Instagram, Discord, you name it, MetChain is on it. So they have a pretty extensive white paper, as you would expect, not too dissimilar to what we've kind of talked around, much more around this interoperability, which I think is important. And especially when we start to look into the multi-network validators, NFTs, and those layer 3s, ultimately, the mechanisms empower and navigate effortlessly between different networks. Really, really important. The strategic focus of MetChain is interoperability and ultimately an enabler of efficient data exchange and collaborations across diverse blockchain networks. Really making sure that MetChain is the one place you need to come to do all of your swaps and everything else. They have a massive development around their ecosystem. That's going to be coming much more. And likewise, in terms of market size, it's huge in terms of what they want to tap into and the potential of where they can go. Again, community engagement of what they do around those NFTs, which we've talked about, and all their social medias, which you can link down in the description. Now, they also, like I said, have their integrated wallet, the same as you would expect with any other wallet. Ensure that you recover your seed phrase. Don't share it with anyone. But again, you're going to need this wallet to support your tokens and ultimately the chain. Now, they're pretty active on socials, as you would expect, giving out everything. And you may notice I said right at the very start of the video that I have some pretty big news at the end. That news is ultimately that they are going to be listed on buyconomy.com, which is fantastic. A North American cryptocurrency exchange with up to $800 million a day in trading volume. This is a fantastic move for the team and certainly a massive benefit and a boost in terms of where they've got. Now, you might be thinking to yourself, how do I buy it? Well, you can come straight to the website or you can grab hold of it over on Segex. They have it over there as well. And what you can see here on the chart is that nice run up as you get with any launch. Then we see the miners selling off. And what do we get? This second leg. This is where the token starts to build. This is where the team work even harder and start to push this up. Their second big exchange coming with more in the pipelines. So if you want to keep up to date with everything going on with MetChain, A, follow the links in the description, sign up to their socials, check them out, do your own research before investing. But B, make sure you subscribe to my channel because we're going to be talking about MetChain much, much more because these guys have got a ton to talk about and they're driven to deliver. As always, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'm going to see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.